welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you all how I make this delicious buka stew. So here are the ingredients you'll be needing for this recipe.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess.
So I'm also going to be using this macrofish. So I just want to show you all how I caught this macrofish. You know, the shape is so amazing. Like, I just love how it looks. So this is how I caught my fish. It looks cute. So anyway, I'm just going to cut this up and I'm going to clean them. Then afterwards I'm going to blend all my mixture, the tomato, pepper, ginger and garlic. I'm going to put them in a blender and I'm going to blend it until it's very smooth. So when this is smooth, then I'm going to transfer it into a pot and allow it to steam for about 30-45 minutes on a low heat. So as soon as this is steaming, I'm just going to use the other side of my pot and I'm going to boil my cow stripes or shaki. I'm going to add in some seasoning and water and I'm going to allow both to boil. So the shaki is boiling on the other side and my tomato is steaming on the other side. So you just have to multitask at this point. The shaki is cooked. I'm going to be frying my fish. I've already seasoned the fish. I'm just going to fry this until it's golden brown. So I'm just going to flip it over and fry the other side until it's nice golden brown. Now as soon as the fish is cooked, I'm just going to take it out. Then when I'm done taking this out, I'm going to bleach my oil. So I'll be using in some palm oil, just a little bit of palm oil. Then I'm going to cover the palm oil just to allow it to, you know, bleach. So it should look like this. So when you're done with that, you're going to add in some chopped onion and you're going to stir fry this for about a minute. Then after that, you're going to add in the steamed tomatoes. Then when I'm done adding the steamed tomato, I'm just going to stir this up, you know. Then after I've finished stirring it up, so I'm going to cover this and allow the tomato to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, just so that the water would get dry, not completely dry. Now the tomato is cooked, it should look like this. Then what I'm going to do here is to add in my chicken stock. So in here I'm using some turkey stock. So I'll be adding some turkey stock. You can use any stock of your choice. If you're using meat, use your meat stock, chicken stock, turkey stock. So whatever stock you're using, it's perfectly okay. So I added in my turkey stock. I'm just going to stir this a little bit. Then I'm going to add in the cow intestine that I've already boiled. So I'm still going to stir it some more, just to, you know, make sure that the cow intestine is well coated with the stew. So when I'm done with this, I'm just going to cover this and allow this to steam on a low heat because you don't want your food to start burning. So when it's done steaming, I'm going to be adding some curry powder, some store cube and some salt. So I'm going to stir this up. So I added in there my meat that I've already baked. I baked the turkey in the oven, so that was what I added to it. Then some leftover snail that I used before, so I have some leftovers. So basically just add any meat of your choice that you enjoy eating, add it in there. So I'm just going to stir this up. Then when I'm done stirring it up, I was still going to add in the final thing, like the fish. So we're adding the fish last because I don't want it to scatter. So add the fish. I'm going to stir it up, allow it to cook for about 2 minutes more, and your buka stew is ready, guys. This is so delicious, it's so good. So if you've not tried buka stew before, make sure you try it out, okay? So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video.
I just need to